Guys, I'm in the Apollo moon rocket facility at Kennedy Space Center. It's a whole building dedicated to just one thing. There's the van that used to take the original Saturn V astronauts to the rocket. But this is all dedicated to house one thing, the Saturn V rocket, the most powerful machine ever built. Here's the business end. Those engines, there's 5 of them, are bigger than anything you can imagine. I don't know how much battery I have, but we're going to try to walk the length of the Saturn V rocket. This is the first stage. You can see the sign right there. It says stage 1. There's 5 primary engines down there. And then we're going to walk on down here, still walking through stage 1. This uses liquid hydrogen and oxygen to burn. Still walking. There are a lot of other people here. See. And now here is the separation for stage 2. That first stage just would last about 30 seconds. So here's a little map of what goes there. Second stage and whatnot. So here's stage 2. Walking around people. Stage 2 also has 5 engines, but much smaller engines. This would lift it up into near orbit. Actually, this would be the orbital stage. It would do the orbit burn. Still walking, still walking. And here is the start of stage 3, which just has a single one of the same engines that you see on stage 2. This is the one that would do the lunar transfer burn. It would burn to leave Earth's orbit and then head on up to the moon. And then here we've got the fairing closing up. This is the actual lunar module and the capsule. Oh, the lander is that big gold thing right up here. And that's how long it takes. Oh, we're still walking here. There's a big crane overhead. And this is there, right up there is the capsule. So looking down, you can barely see the far end of the building down there. And here's the capsule. And on the very tip of that capsule is the escape rocket. So if something were to go wrong at launch, the capsule would detach from the rocket, and that very top part is all solid fuel and it would blast the capsule away. So that's the end of the video. Thanks. That took 3 minutes.